Today I'm making chicken biryani. You need 1 kilo chicken, 1 kilo rice, or 4 cups of rice. You're gonna need cloves, 6, peppercorns, 12, black cardamom, 3, 6 green cardamoms, salt, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon dry coriander, grounded, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 tablespoon garlic. I'm going to crush that. And 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon crushed red peppers, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 bay leaves, 2 medium onions, 2 medium tomatoes. And for garnishing, we're gonna take half a bunch of mint leaves and lemons and sliced green peppers, half a cup of yogurt, 1 cup oil, I've sliced the onions and pureed the tomatoes. Now I'm going to heat the oil in a pan. And then I'm going to add the thinly sliced onions to the oil and fry them till golden brown. While the onions are frying, I've washed the rice, soaked them. I'm going to soak them for 15 to 20 minutes. And I have a water boiling on the stove top here. I am going to add salt to this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt to the water that I'm going to boil the rice in so they're seasoned. As you can see, the onions have they're golden brown now, so I'm going to add the chicken. Make sure you don't burn the onions, because then it's going to turn all dark, almost like darkest brown color, and you don't want that. After you add the chicken, I'm going to add all the dry ingredients, all the spices, and the ginger garlic paste. So I'm going to add the peppers, turmeric, the green cardamom, and black one, cloves, black pepper, salt. Then goes in the cinnamon sticks, the bay leaves, the ginger and garlic paste, coriander powder form, cumin seeds, and crushed red peppers. We're going to stir it. And cook it for about 2 minutes. This was cooking for 2 minutes. I'm going to add the tomatoes. And mix it and cook it for about 15 minutes on low flame till the chicken is done. After adding the tomatoes, I'm going to cover it up and cook it on low flame, medium flame for about 15 minutes or until the chicken is done. And it started, the one I have set aside for the rice, it's starting to simmer. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, And I have soaked them for 15 minutes, drained them, and now I'm going to add the rice to the water and boil them till they're half to about, not fully cooked, half to 1/3 way cooked. And then we're going to strain them, take the excess water out, strain them, and I'm going to show you the next steps. You want to keep checking on the chicken and make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. If it starts to stick, just add half a cup of water and cover and let it cook. And I'm going to check on the rice now. And they look just about done. I am going to strain them and show you the next steps. When the oil starts to separate, we're going to add half cup of yogurt and cook it until the oil starts to separate again. It should be done by then. And then we're going to go ahead and do the rest of the process of making the biryani. As you can see, the oil has separated. The chicken is done. I'm going to turn off the stove and layer the biryani. I'm going to put half of the rice in the same pan I boiled the rice in. Half the rice. And then I'm going to cover that with the chicken. Spread it evenly. Oopsie. You want to make sure you layer it evenly all over so all the rice are coated. I'm going to add the masala, the gravy rather. I'm going to sprinkle the chopped mince. I am not adding green peppers because I don't want to. I have little kids who are going to eat the biryani with me as well. I'm going to put the other half of the rice, layer it, cover the chicken, spread it, covering all the chicken evenly. And then I'm going to add the rest of the mint, sprinkle it all over. And you can add the yellow food color, 1/4 teaspoon. It's optional, not many people like doing that. We're going to cover this tightly and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes on very low heat. It's going to be it's been 20 minutes and I'm going to dish them out now after mixing them. All dished out and ready to serve. Enjoy.